Hey everyone, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're a coffee lover searching for the perfect morning brew, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Breville Precision Brewer Drip Coffee Maker, a machine that promises cafe quality coffee right at home. Stick around to see if it's worth your counter space, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's start with the features. The Breville Precision Brewer is a 60-ounce drip coffee maker with a thermal carafe to keep your coffee hot for hours. It's all about control. You get 6 brewing modes, including gold cup, fast, strong, and even cold brew. The PID temperature control lets you tweak the water temp for perfect extraction, and you can adjust the flow rate, slow for bold flavors or fast for a quick cup. There's also a customizable bloom time to bring out the best in your beans, whether they're floral, fruity, or earthy. The machine includes a cone filter basket for richer taste, and it's got a sleek stainless steel design that looks sharp in any kitchen. Now, the pros. This thing is a coffee nerd's dream. The precision settings let you dial in your brew exactly how you like it, and users say it delivers consistent, full-flavored coffee every time. The thermal carafe is a big win. No burnt coffee from a hot plate, and it holds enough for 10 cups. It's easy to use with a clear digital display, and the build quality feels premium. Customers also love the versatility for different roasts and styles, from light and bright to dark and robust. But there are some cons. It's pricey compared to basic drip makers, so it might not suit casual coffee drinkers. Some folks found the setup a bit tricky at first, especially mastering the custom settings. The carafe can drip when pouring if you're not careful, and a few users mentioned the machine takes up more counter space than expected. So, should you buy the Breville Precision Brewer? Absolutely. If you're serious about coffee and want barista-level results at home, it's perfect for those who love experimenting with their brew or hosting brunches. If you just need a quick, no-fuss cup, a simpler model might do. That's my take on the Breville Precision Brewer. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. To snag this coffee maker at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.